Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this ORS organic root stimulator. So this is their incredible rich oil moisturizing hair lotion. So I've used this product before, and so I just finished the bottle that I'll be using, so I get this new one. So I decided to do a review on it to show you guys how I also use it, a review plus demo. So this I've already washed my hair, I've already conditioned, deep condition for everything, so it's now time for me to put my hair in a protective style. So I'll be using this organic root stimulator moisturizing lotion. So to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming today again to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much, and if you just subscribe, just join my lovely natural channel. Thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for subscribing. So guys, this is the product that I'll be using today. Is the ORS organic root stimulator incredible rich oil moisturizing lotion. So this is their extra large 25% free more product. So the product is kind of green color inside, and it's very thin, guys. This is so thin, creamy lotion. So like, if you don't like thin product, I think this might not be for you, because it take a long time for you to get it out of the bottle. It's very thin, very thin, and it's also moisturizing. So it's also moisturizing and it's also thin. The packaging is so beautiful, guys. I love the packaging. Like, the packaging is the one that even draw my attention to this product. I love the detail of the packaging, everything, the blue, the green, the red, everything. The packaging is so good. So this is their new look. The former one also, they have the former look, so this is their new look, which is rich with castor oil. It's infused with castor oil for strengthening. So the one they have before is just olive oil, but now it's infused with castor oil. So I'll be using it with this my grease that I muse. So the video is already on my channel, just go and check it out. You have already seen the video, so thank you so much for seeing it. So if you have not watched it, just go and check it out, how I miss that hair grease. It's so good, guys, going to help to grow your hair also. So let's come back to this. The first ingredients here is water. Guys, there are thousands or millions of ingredients in this bottle. Like, the ingredients is so much. Like, the first ingredient is water, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, castor oil, and other chemical. Another chemical, and also olive oil is here, ginger root extract is here, nettle leaf extract is here, what is rosemary leaf extract is also here. What is there are many ingredients, guys. So there are many chemical here that I cannot even pronounce, and the one that I can pronounce, I'm saying it. Okay, so this is their new look. Like I said before, is also moisturizing. So if you want to use this, the way I use it is I use it with grease. I don't use it alone, because using it alone cannot keep my hair moisturized for this. So when I use it with grease, it kind of help to keep my hair moisturized for like 3 to 4 days. So before I will moisturize my hair again with the product. So You can use it with leave-in conditioner. So you can use it with leave-in conditioner, or you can use it and seal it with grease or any oil that you love if you don't like using grease like me. So it's so moisturizing. Also, if you use it alone, I don't know because I've not used it alone before, but when I use it with grease, it helps to keep my hair moisturized for days. But I think with if you want to use it alone, I don't think it's going to really moisturize your hair like that. I will advise you use it with something. So what this is supposed to do for our hair, ORS olive oil incredible rich oil moisturizing hair lotion, is supposed to nourish and strengthen castor oil to help and promote hair growth. It's supposed to nourish, strengthen, moisturize and promote healthy hair growth, which is good, guys, because we all want to grow our hair. So if you can do that for me, I will be so happy. So number one is that it helps reduce breakage and it also prevents split ends, which is good. It helps to prevent damage caused by heat styling, restore moisture to dry hair, leave hair soaking, soft, shiny, and more manageable. Okay, so how do we use this ORS? So they say apply a small amount to hands, rub together and massage through hair, comb and style as usual. Okay, should store in a cool, dry room temperature. Okay, so guys, this is the packaging. This is what they said supposed to do for our hair, like about 4 or 5 things that it's supposed to do. It's supposed to help to minimize breakage, split ends, damage hair, restore moisture and shine, and manageable to our hair. So guys, this is my thought about this product. If it's moisturizing, yes, it's moisturizing. It can help you to moisturize your hair for days before you can re-moisturize it again. But if you say you want to use this to keep your hair moisturized throughout the week, no, I don't think so, because whenever I use this, I try to re-moisturize my hair again with the product. Okay, yes, with the same product, with the same ORS. I did after 3 to 4 days, I feel my hair is dry again. So it needs me to kind of re-moisturize it. I will just re-moisturize it. So this cannot keep your hair moisturized throughout the week. Number two is that this product is kind of oily. If you use too much on your hair, it's kind of oily, really. You kind of feel so much oil on your hair. So if you want to use it, don't be like me. I use too much of product a lot. I'm so heavy handed when it comes to using product. So if you want to use it, just take a little of this product goes a long way. So to avoid that greasiness and that oil in your hair, just take little of this product and put it on your hair, seal it with oil or grease, and you will be fine. Okay, that is number two of it. So you can also use this to make a twist out. Your twist out is going to be bomb. I've used it before as a twist out. It's so good for twist out. It's also going to help to strengthen your hair, which is also good. Like combing your hair, there's not going to be a lot of breakage, and your hair is going to be really manageable to comb through, so which is also good for that. So that is all I think about this product. Promote healthy hair growth with this product and also adds shine to our hair. Yes, it also make your hair look shiny. That so as for the price, guys, this is so affordable. Like, you can get this product anywhere in the world, even if you're in Nigeria, America, anywhere you are in the world, even if you're where there's no motor, where motor not the reach, this product will reach there. This product is so affordable and also available for everyone to use. So if you are looking for cheap and good moisturizer for your hair, I will recommend this ORS for you. Just use it. A little bit goes a long way if you don't want your hair to be really oily or greasy, whatever you want to say it. Just use this and you are going to love your hair. And also try to re-moisturize your hair during the week after 3 to 4 days of your first use. Make sure you re-moisturize your hair to keep your hair healthy and also soft. So that is it, guys, for this review. I hope this review helped someone out there. So this is the way I also use it. I kind of make a big session. I put water on my hair, like I spray water on my hair to make it look down a little. I don't think you can also use this on dry hair. Maybe you can also use it on dry hair. So I always use water first before I apply any product on my hair. If you also want to try it on dry hair, you can also try it on dry hair, but I don't know about that because I always use water first. So when I spray my hair with water, then I apply the product. I'm a little bit so heavy-handed when it comes to applying product to my hair. So after that, I'm going to use my grease, my DIY hair mist, grease mix. I mix all my grease together for hair grow. The video is already on my channel, so then I will just seal in that moisture that I put on my hair with that grease. Then I will just twist my hair just like so. This is how I use it on my hair. So the next thing that I will do again, you have to stay tuned to see that. Okay, watch to the end so that you will see what I do again after using this product. So it has a good ingredients in it that is going to help to grow your hair out, and also has some ingredients that your girl cannot even look at. So after doing everything like this, I comb my hair, distribute the product to my hair. My hair is growing, so let me do that slow motion. So then I will just twist. Now it's time for me to do the last step that I always do whenever I do use this product. This is castor oil, guys. So I'm going to put this castor oil on my scalp. Like, I did not use grease on my scalp. Okay, now so I'm going to be, that's why I'm using this castor oil on my scalp. I use the credible leave-in on my hair. I use the grease to seal in moisture. Now I'm going to be using the castor oil to grease my scalp to promote healthy hair growth and to also provide good environment for my hair to grow. So now I'm also giving my edges some love. So this is the product that I use. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, share with your friend. Happy New Year. See you in 2021. Bye.